Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the pretty cool, large, regular Sebenza Reeve knives right over here with me for a quick review. I need to thank my buddy for sending this guy over to check it out. And please, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying my content. So what do we have here? This is Reeve knives, large, Sebenza, regular, in a website edition, super rare, really hard to find this guy, especially if you are looking into a matching set. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty tough to get in pristine conditions because it's a rare one. It's very expensive. This is an old one. This is from 2008. It has a beautiful graphic over here. Nice spider web going on, titanium frame lock, of course, sand blasted, beautifully nice chamfering going on in and out. This is a hematite cabochon. Look at this spider web revealing the true nature of titanium, like raw titanium underneath. It's just fantastic. Very simple construction. Overall length is going to be around 8.1 inches. And a 3.5 inch long, 3.6 inch long blade with a 3 cutting edge, something like that, and a 4.5 inch long handle. So it's the equivalent of the large Sebenza in size, but it's very different. Because of the design, of the hardware used. This is just fantastic. Would you look at this? It's just crazy, beautiful, nice and shiny, nice and stonewash finished, finish on the flats, satin finish on this beautiful hollow grind S30V blade, beautiful crowning. Come on, would you look at this jimping going on? It is perfection, nice thumb stud, it's nicely done. This guy is running on washers, it's super smooth. Only thing I'm not a fan of is the pocket clip. It's absolutely functional, but design-wise, the look is, yeah, not my favorite. But overall, it's a great knife. It feels awesome in the hand. There's just a little hot spot coming up from this guy. The sound, I mean, classic, not classic, regular Sebenza sound. When you close it, just champagne clinking, guys. Would you look at that? Really cool. Of course, the action is glassy smooth. There's no drop, no guillotine effect. It just drops shut. It drops when you disengage the lock bar. No guillotine because, of course, it's on washers. Overall, it's just a great knife. Would you look at this finish over here? It is a pretty cool one. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.